Lesson 16. Daily Routines. Part A. Sleep. During the week, I usually wake up about 7:30 a.m. If I don't, my mom wakes me up. I get up a few minutes later. In the evening, I go to bed about 10:30 p.m. and usually go to sleep straight away. If I have a late night, I try to have a sleep in the afternoon when I get home from college. To wake up. To stop sleeping. To get up. To get out of bed. To go to sleep. Start sleeping. To fall asleep. Straight away. Immediately. To have a late night. To go to bed very late. To have an early night. The opposite, to have an early night. To have a sleep. A short period of sleeping. For example, half an hour. Part B. Food. I have coffee and cereal for breakfast. Then I have a light lunch, maybe a sandwich and an apple, and a snack in the afternoon. We have our main meal in the evening. If mom's late, home from work, she doesn't bother to cook. We just get a takeaway instead. One of us has to feed the cat as well. The continuation is on Boosty. Please check the link under the video.